Hello everyone and welcome to Lesson 7 in the Google Sheets for Beginners series. I am Eric of Hollywood Frodo, and we're going to be talking today really simply, really quickly about the best way to learn how to do all this stuff, and also I'm going to share some resources with you. So what is the best way to learn? Very simple. You've heard it a million times. Practice, practice, practice. Why do I say that? Because truly you can watch every one of these videos. I've done 6 already. This is the 7th, and then I've got about 15 more, I think, coming up. And so there's a lot of videos. You could watch them all, and then when it's done, you won't know any more than you did before you started if all you do is just watch me do stuff, and that's it. Of course, at first you got to watch. You got to see how am I doing something. But the best way to learn it is to go practice. Just do one lesson, stop, go practice the things you saw. Try them out. Don't be afraid to screw things up. Again, just a Excel sheet. You can delete it. You can undo. Try it, and then when you do or don't, when you can or can't, that's how you learn. That's how you figure out how to do it. Oh, well, I saw him do this, and I just tried and I couldn't do it. Go back and watch the video again. See how I did it. That's the only way you're going to learn. You won't learn just from watching these videos. So I just want to reiterate that to all of you, because I know it's easy to just get in the habit of just suddenly watching a bunch of videos, and then you've watched 30 minutes worth of content and you remember hardly anything. So watch one video, and then go practice the things that you watched. Or even better yet, watch me do one thing in a video, click pause, go try it for yourself, come back and press play. I mean, that's the great thing about learning this way, is that you've got full control to play, pause, play faster, play slower. You can control it. You can go at your own pace, but make sure you're practicing, because you're not going to learn any of this if you're not practicing. Now, because of that, I'm going to share a link with you in the description below. There'll be a link to a folder of mine that has resources, as 3 Google Sheets pre-filled with information that you can play with. 2 of them you've seen me use already a lot in this course, or actually one of them, I think. But there are 3 in there, and I'll probably be using the other ones throughout the rest of the course. I know one of them I will be for sure. The other one, maybe, maybe not, but doesn't matter. It's just an Excel sheet with a bunch of data, or a Google sheet with a bunch of data, and you can manipulate it and try the different things that I've shown you in these lessons yourself, so you can practice that. So I'm going to show you how that works. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn myself off so you can see the screen. And this is just a web page. I've already signed into my Google account, because again, we're dealing with Google Drive when we talk about Google Sheets. And so the link that I'm going to have in the description below, when you click that link, I want you to see what's going to happen. So when you click that link, this is what it's going to take you to. It's going to take you to Drive, and you're going to see this shared with me, and you're going to see resources for class, and you're going to see these 3 documents. Now, if you click on one of these, or double click to open, it's going to open, but you'll see up here in the top left, it says view only. You can't do anything with it. I can click in these cells, but if I try to type something, it doesn't work, because I can't manipulate it. It's a view only. You have to make your own copy in order to be able to practice the stuff we're going over. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You just go to File, and you click Make a Copy. Now, by default, it's going to see if you want to make a copy of this inside of the folder that you're in. And this is my folder that I'm sharing with you, but I don't want a million copies of your stuff in it. So don't do that. Click the Resources for Class folder, and then you're going to click the back button right here, and it's going to go to your drive. Now, instead of being in the folder from my drive that I've shared with you, you can go to your own drive. So I'm going to click that, and this will be your drive. If it doesn't have anything in there, you can just select to save it in the main drive, or you can select to add a folder and title it Google Sheets Class, and then click the little check mark there to create that folder, and then say select. and then OK. Once you do that, you'll see it'll open it. Now you can go in here and you can actually, once it's all, you can see, you can type, you can edit, you can do whatever you want. This one takes longer because this one has a lot of data. So I'm going to undo that. But you can see now you can actually do whatever you want to with the sheet because it's now your copy. And if you go back to Drive, to your Drive, you're going to see that under Drive, under folders right here, I have this Google Sheets class folder I just created. Now this is my drive, so I have a bunch of other stuff in it. But also, if you click the little down, little arrow to a down arrow there under my drive, you see all your folders. So I can just click Google Sheets class, and you'll see here's the copy of the sheet that I made. So that's how you do that. We'll do it one more time just so you can see. So here is the, let's see, let's go back to the main link. When you click that link in the description, this is what it's going to take you to. Again, this is my folder in my drive, and I'm allowing you to view the documents in here, but you can't edit them. So you double click to open one. You see that it says view only in the top left. Once it's all done loading up, now you just click file and make a copy. Again, don't click OK because this will make a copy right where you already are, and that's not good. You need to click this and then click the back button to go to your drive. Double click your drive, and now that you've already created a folder, you just select that folder and say select. And you can see it's going to make a copy of this in your Google Sheets class. OK. And so it makes a copy, and now you have a copy in your Google Sheets class, and you see that view only is gone because now this is your copy that's in your drive, and you can do anything you want to with it. So that is how you get those Google Sheets into your own drive so that you can practice and play with all the things that I am showing you. So that's it, pretty easy. So do that because you'll want to have these to be able to play and practice and really learn the things that you're watching here. Also, another little piece of advice is don't just rely on me. Feel free to either while you're doing this course or when you're done with this course, look for other courses on YouTube. I find that a lot of times I need to see how 2 different or 3 different people do the same thing, because a lot of times just the way they explain it or the way they show it, it clicks more the way one person explains it versus another. So it's never a bad idea to look for other ways to do things or other people to explain it in a different way. So feel free to do that as well. Anyway, that's going to be it for this class. This is just a short little video. Well, none of my videos are that short, but this is a short-ish video because I just wanted to share those resources with you, show you how you could download them so that you could play with them yourself, and also remind you that the best way to learn from all these videos is not just watching them, but make sure you're constantly practicing the things that you're seeing so that you can actually remember how to do them yourself when the time comes. Anyway, that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer if I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with other videos. I do a lot of product reviews and sometimes just fun videos or informational videos, all kinds of stuff. So feel free to subscribe. Favorite this playlist if you want to keep up specifically with as videos are added to the Google Sheets for Beginners playlist. And don't forget to click that like button. That helps me out. And that's it. So until next time, have a great day.